Hi, I'm Dean from McDurmon Distributing, and in this tech tip, we're going to talk a little bit more about propellers. We get a lot of calls about this as far as what should I put on my boat. The first question we're going to ask is, what's your current propeller part number? On the newer propellers like this one here, they're clearly marked on the blade. You have your pitch and diameter here. You get into some older props that can be a little bit tricky. A lot of times you have to take them off the motor, because on this particular one here, this is off an older Force. It has a cone that goes on here. The part number is underneath that cone. This here is an older BRP propeller. The part number is going to be hidden by the hardware that goes on the end right here. And here's a good old classic here, Mercury, probably off an older 50 horse. There is no numbers on here until you actually physically take the propeller off. It's right in here, right behind the aft hardware. Occasionally on some older propellers, they're also down in here. If it's a rubber hub prop and the prop is spun, sometimes it will actually wipe the number right off of it. In that case, just gonna have to kind of go by your experience. You can call us and hopefully we can help you get the right prop on that boat. Hope this tech tip helps you. Remember, at McDurmon, we're your parts professionals.